Okay, let us discuss one more problem related to Newton's second law. Okay. A block of mass 50 kg is kept on another block of mass 1 kg as shown in the figure. There is a block A which is kept on a smooth horizontal surface, okay, and another block of 50 kg is kept over it. Its name is B. A horizontal force of 10 Newton is applied on the 1 kg block. So here a force of how much? 10 Newton magnitude is applied on this block, the lower block, and then we need to find acceleration of block A and B. Okay, chalo. So suppose we try to understand this question. 10 Newton force is applied on the lower block. What will happen? Since it is given that all the surfaces are smooth, okay, so when A has a force 10 Newton in the horizontal direction, this block will slide below the block B and it will stay here, okay, because no horizontal force will come on block B because friction is absent here. So to do this, first of all, we should draw the free body diagram and then write the equations related to these blocks. Chalo, suppose I start drawing the free body diagram of block B. Its mass is 50 kg. Okay. Let us take both these questions. Okay. Now, if I draw the free body diagram here, 10 Newton will be the force on the lower block in the horizontal direction. For block B, देखो, in the downward direction there is a force mg. Okay, so 50 kg is its mass for block B, so 500 Newton will act in the downward direction, but it is kept on block A. There will be a normal force in the upward direction. Suppose this is the normal reaction by the block A on block B. Let us call it N1. Now, since A and B are kept in contact, B will also push A in the downward direction with the same force, okay, that will form action-reaction pair. So, if I draw the free body diagram of A, okay, its mg will be 1 into g, that will be 10 Newton in the downward direction, okay. Also, B is kept on A, so one more force will be acting in the downward direction, that is reaction of this N1. So the magnitude will be same as N1, but the direction will be downwards, okay. Now since A is kept on a surface, that surface will apply a normal force in the upward direction, and let us say that this force given by the horizontal smooth surface is N2, okay. One more force is there on A, that is the horizontal force 10 Newton in the right direction, correct? Now, the two questions are acceleration of blocks A and B and the force exerted by B on A, that is the normal force N1. These are the two forces we need to calculate, okay? So, first of all, if we talk about block B, there is no horizontal force, okay. On block B, you can see that there is no horizontal force, only forces in the y direction are present. So if I write for B, okay, its acceleration will be directly, we can say that its acceleration is 0 because in the y direction N1 will exactly balance its mg, that is 500 Newton, okay. So directly we can write N1 will be equal to 500 Newton. Okay? You will think that B will also move with A, but since the surfaces are smooth, okay, B will have no horizontal force on it and it will remain where it is, and A will slide below it without any resistance. So N1 जो है वो क्या आ गया है बेटा? It is equal to 500 Newton. So force exerted by B on A will also be equal to 500 Newton only. B will apply normal force in the downward direction, है ना. B जो है A पर नीचे की तरफ एक N1 फोर्स लगा रहा है, सेम फोर्स लगा रहा है, एंड इट्स वैल्यू विल बी 500 न्यूटन. तो सेकेंड आंसर पहले मिल गया हम लोगों को, इट इज 500 न्यूटन. करेक्ट. दिस इज द ओनली फोर्स विच B इज अप्लाइंग ऑन A. अच्छा, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट A, okay, since it has a tendency of moving in the right directions, let us say that its acceleration is A in the right direction. Block A has a force in the horizontal direction, that is 10 Newton. It will slide in the rightward direction. तो अगर मैं x axis के along लिखूं in x, ठीक है, तो what can I write? 10 is equal to mass into acceleration. What we are writing? Summation of force in x direction is equal to mass into acceleration. तो बेटा x डायरेक्शन में अगर इस ब्लॉक पे बात करूं तो ओनली वन फोर्स इज देयर विच इज 10 न्यूटन. तो 10 इज इक्वल टू मास फॉर a ब्लॉक इज 1 kg ओनली, तो 1 into a. So a will have an acceleration of 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो ब्लॉक ए का जो एक्सेलरेशन आया है बेटा, दैट विल बी 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. अगर मैं बी की बात करूं, एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ बी विल बी इक्वल टू 0. देखो, क्योंकि वाई डायरेक्शन में भी उसका नेट फोर्स 0 था. N1 वॉज एग्जैक्टली बैलेंसिंग 500 न्यूटन. N1 500 न्यूटन को एग्जैक्टली बैलेंस कर लेगा, तो उसकी चिंता खत्म. और हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस, देयर इज नो फोर्स. तो इसकी वजह से क्या बोल सकते हैं कि नेट एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ बी इज डायरेक्टली 0 और एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ ए विल बी इक्वल टू 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर अलोंग एक्स. ठीक है, तो फॉर द first question, acceleration of A will be equal to how much? 10 meter per second square I cap. Okay, and acceleration of B will be equal to 0. So that is all that we had to find in this question.